In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find and celebrate your work anniversary on LinkedIn. It is a great way to reflect on your personal growth and share your accomplishments with your professional network. If you are not already logged into LinkedIn, you will want to start by heading over to LinkedIn.com. For those who need to sign in, you have the option to use your Google or Microsoft accounts, which can make the process a bit more convenient. Alternatively, you can enter your email address and password. If you have set up two-factor authentication, LinkedIn might send a verification code to your phone. Simply enter that code to access your account securely. Now that you are logged in, let us move forward. Celebrating a work anniversary is not just about marking time. It is an opportunity to share your journey with colleagues and friends. So, take a moment to think about the message you want to convey. You might want to highlight your achievements over the past year, extend gratitude to supportive colleagues, or invite others to join in your celebration. Once you have an idea of what you want to say, head to your LinkedIn feed where you will see a Start a Post box right at the top. It is easy to spot. Click on that box to begin crafting your post. There is also a plus sign icon beneath the text area. Go ahead and click on it. This action will unveil more options for your post. Given that you are celebrating your work anniversary, you will want to select Celebrate an Occasion, which suits our purpose perfectly. Make sure you specify work anniversary to keep everything on point. Adding visuals can make a significant impact. So consider uploading a photo or choosing an image that resonates with your experience and adds a personal touch. Once you have decided on a visual representation, click Next. Your image is now ready, setting the stage for you to add words. Reflect on your journey by jotting down thoughts about key projects, milestones you have smashed, or important lessons learned during your tenure at the company. These insights add depth to your post and engage your audience more personally. A good story is worth 1,000 likes. Do not forget the power of hashtags. They can enhance the visibility of your post within your industry. Choose tags that align with your profession, or express the essence of your experience. Gratitude is another key element. Take a moment to acknowledge colleagues, managers, or the company, appreciating the opportunities and support you have received. A little thankfulness can nurture and strengthen professional relationships. Once you are happy with the content, scroll down and hit Post. Congratulations! You have successfully celebrated your work anniversary on LinkedIn and enriched your professional network with your story. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and happy networking!